Mechia Circle 150 more Holland. Any abrochiri for in our Mohammed. Do one I can a Fabu census. Do one business in your abrochiri bed and if you cry bisa. I'll call www.fabucensus.com. Okay, Keswa, Yabema already registered, new registration. Until we a new registered number there, then Ubeko new registration. Then we call Keswa. Your details all will come. Say, Ababi now, Baby payment, no, or Honana, a month for Tiase. Your visa card in there, or Honaya, Unusu MTN, and I said Tigo. So, Obanga Crona, you know, visa card, then you go with your bank delegates. Until you confirm, confirm on your phone before Ansana bank nama approval because they want to know say ampa say Fabu census na one away and I say obi na wabwa account money ade. Nti esre omo say omo ahoden ni wa kotoko ntimi ngro. Nti say dia Ghana for ye ni gidigide na yesra brochire for ni na. Nti say omo pe say omo be friend ni assist omo a ye dia Ghana 0543 1167 490543 116749. Obi kra I'm Stephen Odum Opoku. Obi kra baby says na in the card na kra is it like I have more here. Meet me assist to so that people will see the card. No more who said yeah ebi enso STF. So we Ghana here so now we here star 920 star 99 hash. These are some of the cards. So looking at it, once will be needing any information near the card. Come on. So this as well. The training so here, sorry. The training so here we these are some of the things. Here supporters in Adio Moho Ebe Jim. Omo tumi aboa Asante Kotoko, ama Kotoko tumi afa ne ntoma pa. Efra. Yeah. Thank you.